Hello everyone, my name is Ria, and today in this video I'll be explaining a program which is based on dynamic routing. So in the previous videos we had seen how to enable dynamic routing using OSPF and RIP version 1 and version 2. So in this video we'll be seeing how to enable dynamic routing using EIGRP. So basically this EIGRP stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. So the factors which are concentrated on by EIGRP to find the best path are bandwidth, then delay, then validation and load. So for that, now let us see how this can be configured. So here I've already created one topology, as you can all see. So there are three LANs in this topology. One is this LAN, one is this LAN, and the one is this LAN. So this LAN has the network address as 192.168.1.0/24, and for this the network address is 192.168.3.0, and for this the network address is 192.168.2.0. So I've already given the IP addresses for the PCs. So here I've given as 1.1 and 1.2, and for here it is 3.1 and 3.2, and for here it's 2.1 and 2.2. So I've also, for these two PCs, the default gateway address is 192.168.2.3, and for these two PCs the default gateway address is 192.168.3.3, and for these two PCs the default gateway address is 192.168.1.3. So now let me type the commands for configuring the router. So en config t, and the commands are network, now before that we are supposed to give our rout route EIGRP 10. So basically this 10 is the autonomous system number, and after that we are supposed to type network 192.168.1.0. we have to give the network addresses for all the networks which are directly connected to this router. So we can see that 192.168.1.0 is directly connected to this router, then 10.1.1.0 is directly connected, and 10.2.2.0 is directly connected. Along with that we have to give the wildcard mask, and we are giving wildcard mask over here instead of default subnet mask only because this is a classless network. So it is just the inverse of subnet mask. Similarly, we have to give for all other networks which are directly connected to it. So the other ones are 10.2.0. 10.2.0, yeah. And so as you can all see, I've configured the router. Similar way we have to do for all other routers. So for this router, which are all the directly connected networks, this is one network which is directly connected, this is another network which is directly connected, and this is another network which is directly connected. Similarly for this router as well, this network, that is 10.2.2.0, 10.3.3, 10.3.3.0 and 192.168.3.0 is directly connected. So accordingly we have to configure. Now let us see how the packets are traveling from one PC to another PC. Let us go to the simulation mode. Yeah, so you can see how the packets are traveling from one PC to another PC. Yeah, so we can see that the status is successful. That means the packet has been successfully sent from this PC to this PC. Now let us type some of the commands. Suppose if we want to see the routing table, so we can just right click on the router and then we can see the routing table. So we can see that apart from which are all the directly connected networks, you can see the other networks are also displayed over here, right? So yeah, apart from that, if we want to go to the CLI and type the command, so we can do it this way. We have to come out of this first and then type ship route. So we can see that what are all the networks which is directly connected to this particular router. Apart from that, if you want to see the protocols, then IP protocol, SHIP protocols. Yeah, so we can see the required information, and if we want to see show IP EIGRP neighbor, search IP EIGRP neighbor. It will show all the neighboring networks. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you.